Hi Milton drivers, Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance. Today I want to continue my talk to you guys about our CSA scores and the different violations that I'm seeing. I've got my hand to recap for February of 2020, and in general, February turned out okay. It was one of our lower months for overall violations, but I see a lot of room for improvement, not only from the driver's point of view from doing pre-trip and post-trip finding things, but also when they come through my inspection bay here in Tulsa, in Laredo, and now Birmingham, that it's up and running. So I want to assure everybody that I'm working with all the inspectors to make sure that they catch, the tires that might be getting a little thin or some audible air leaks, lights, and things of that nature. So the shop is going to do our part, but I really need for you guys to help me out on doing your pre and post trip and finding things before the DOT officer finds it, because then that slows you down. It costs the company money. It costs you money because you're not out there running miles, because if the wheels aren't turning on that truck, you're not going to be making any money. So what we found, the biggest cause for DOT out of service violations again was tires. Just either they're worn thin or the cord showing, and it was mainly on trailers. So I really need some help on trailers. Lights, and then air leaks and suspension system leaks again. So probably 60% of all the failures, the DOT violations we're seeing, are trailer related, which brings me to another segment I want to talk to you guys about, is when we drop trailers at trailer pools or drop trailers at a yard. If you know there's a defect, please, I ask you guys, send in a MAC 18, give me the trailer number and a brief description of what's wrong. Two bad tires, lights out, I dropped the trailer at such and such yard. I promise you we'll do our best to go out there and get these things taken care of. So if you can help me out with that, in general, that will help everybody, because I know it's extremely aggravating for you to go to a yard to pick up a preloaded trailer, and the first thing you have to do after you secure it is find a place to go get some tires changed or a light fixed or something like that. It's very frustrating. It makes you guys mad. It's bad for the company. It's bad for you. So if you can help me out with that, I think it'd be a win-win for us all. We want to keep our CSA score going back down. It's going to improve a little bit because of the month of February. We had a small number of failures, which was a good thing. So we're on the right track, but I do need your guys' help. If you see a problem on a trailer or you find a problem on your truck, please call Outside Repair. We'll do our best to get it fixed with the least amount of downtime for you guys. So if you have any questions or you have any comments, you know my office number, or shoot me some information on Facebook and I'll get back with you. Thanks again. This is Jeff Robinson. Drive safely.